Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the super easy, simple and fast way to get an aesthetic result. I guarantee you never fail to edit your picture only with PicsArt application. Now you just need to open the PicsArt application. The next thing you need to do is just make sure that you are stay into the first sections right here. And now you just need to scrolling up and down until you get the type of result that you want to get. Let's say I would like to get this. So actually this section could be called as replay section. So you can pick the result of the replay that you want to achieve, and then you just need to tap it. Now you just need to go click choose photo, and then you just need to pick which photos that you want to create like that. And right after you got them, you just need to follow everything on the screens right here. There will be like one of 3 steps, so it means that the whole step could be in 3, and then you just need to follow everything on the screen, and then you just need to tap next, next, next and next, and right after that you just get the result easily. So this editing could be less than 1 minute and you already got the best result for your picture. And then you just need to save this picture and you are totally done. So that's for today's tutorial. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment section and we'll meet again into other tutorial.